Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here, Stock Lock Sunday. Hope everybody's doing well. For those of you in Canada, this beautiful little Canadian tire, brass padlock, 40mm, 6mm shackle. There's the keyway. Canadian tire in Canada is a staple. It's been around 100 years. You got auto service, gas, housewares, you name it, sports. I featured one of these before. I was able to get a second one just a couple days ago, so let's try this one here. See if we can get into it. Let's go SBP 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. Okay, not bad. Just a beautiful piece of Canadian history. Maybe we could try zipping it open. When you're zipping it, light tension, really light tension. Get your pick to the back. Just give it a feel, make sure you're nice and loose. Then a couple of shots. If it doesn't work, I like to reset it. And there we go. So that's it. It is a spring-loaded pawl here. It's only on one side. I doubt I could get a shim in here. Well, let's give it a shot, see if I can get a shim. Let's try this one. Maybe. Yeah, this one should work. There we go. I was able to get that. So there you go, guys. A little piece of Canadian history. Canadian tires, 100 years. There's the key. And I do have one that actually says Canadian Tire on it. Right there. Yeah, you guys can see that. And I got a backup here made by Curtis. So hopefully you enjoyed that video, guys. Stock Lock Sunday, Canadian Tire, brass, 40mm, 6mm shackle. SPP'd, zipped, and shimmed at the shackle. Stay well. Thank you for your support, patience, practice, perseverance. We'll see you guys the next one.